Hello, Mantasa. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. So, as we are meeting first time, so very good morning. And let me introduce myself. And then I would request you may introduce yourself. And then we will jump into the conversation. My name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Surat. And I completed BCA and I enter in the IT industry. I'm holding more than 5 years of experience in web designing. As of now, I'm working in one of the MNC company in the same city, and I'm a team leader of website department. And nowadays, I'm trying to improve my English communication. So I believe that's it for now.
That's amazing to hear that.
Thank you.
Okay, if I talk about me, my name is Madhusha. I have completed my graduation, post-graduation from Urdu subject, as well as my hobbies. I love reading, listening to music, singing as well, and speaking in English, drawing. I am running my YouTube channel, Fluent Mentasha. That's all.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you for the sharing about yourself. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the technology related, how in our daily conversation, daily basis, we are using particular technology. So in my daily life, I want to share some needful things with you. Like I'm very much used to with the AI. Okay, so if I talk about the Gemini and ChatGPT, so if I talk about my working environment as well as non-working time, so I am very much useful using the AI based tool. As I said, two things. So uh, as I said, I am a team of my department. So many to communicate with the customer as well as with my team. Okay, so I need to write long emails for the conversation and like gather the details for website building and convey to the customer in the technical terms, and whatever requirement customer will say I need to convey with my team in the customer language. Okay, so one kind of bridge I am working daily basis. So AI is playing a huge useful play. He's playing a good role in my working environment. Like when sometime I am not able to understand client requirement, even after reading couple of times, and I'm to be very honest, I'm using Google Translate as well, and in my local language many time I'm using, because we have uh, many different countries customer. So it doesn't mean every country's customer pronunciation and particular verb we can understand. So first I am always reading the mail 2 to 3 times. Even for my confirmation I am using translate, and then if sometime I'm not able to understand, so I'm using chat gpt and Gemini. Okay, so these kind of tool are very useful and time saving in my daily life. And when I am in trouble, like what kind of response I need to say to my customer, so I can within 5 to 7 line I am writing my concern and my need, and then request to the tool with the prompt, so they are suggesting me with their particular professional email. As well as when I want to make particular story, or I want to increase my reading in the English, so I'm not going for reading any article or book. I'm just requesting to the tool AI, and asking them like give me a uh, proper particular topic. I'm giving the topic as well, two-person conversation English story. So that kind of things I am reading, and I am taking the leverage with the AI. Okay, so these kind of things. So yeah, I want to know from your end if your daily basis any particular technologies or any AI based tool if you are using for improving your productivity, so you can share.
If I talk about me, so I use YouTube, Netflix, there are ChatGPT, lots of things. There are lots of platforms when it comes to technology, and it is helping us very tremendous way, I would say. That in terms of learning anything, language, and in terms of doing study as well. So I think it has a huge impact on ourselves because we are learning so many things without just investing as amount of money. We are not investing just for investing for internet, and then we are getting all the things by these platforms, right? So I think ChatGPT also helping very much, but we should know how can we use in a right way. All the platforms we have, but we must know that how can we take advantage. This is
I
something.
agree with you. Great, sounds good. And as I say, as you said, like from the Netflix and YouTube, you are trying to improving your communication skill and English. So I believe from YouTube, we can easily able to understand. But I would like to know from you through Netflix how people can improve their knowledge. Is it like watching an English movie with the subtitle?
Yes, watching English movie is not helping to learn English. It is helping you to explore culture, other religions, other religions' thoughts, everything we are discovering. We are just exploring. So it's really important to know, I think.
Yeah, amazing. I agree with you. Yeah, this was the new point which was not in my mind. Yeah, great.
Mm,
Okay, anything
okay.
about the technology or anything you want to say which will be useful for our audience as well as for me? Anything?
Technology helping is very numerous way. Like when it comes to career, just making money, and lots of people making money. They are popular. They are being famous by their talent. They are showing their talent because this is the platform, so we can show our talent, right? We have something. So I'm very grateful for that. And I would say that we have a great opportunity to show our talent, and we must to show.
Understand. You are right. Okay. And I would like to know about yourself, like as you are also one of the YouTuber. So how many hours or minutes or particular time you are spending daily basis or couple of days, 1 day's gap or in a week, how you are managing? Because as I understand, as a female, there you have to even every female have to play a different role play like sister as a child as a particular there are so many role and you are also a YouTuber, so how you are managing your channel and what kind of challenging challenges you are facing daily basis.
As a elder sister, I am elder sister in my home, and that my mom gives me permission because she is very nice and she is my best friend. She helps me in every work and she understands that I am doing a study by YouTube, anything. I'm learning something without investing too much money. So she helps me. She understands the value of education, all the things. It's not about being women, being a girl. We don't have the permission to just invest on ourselves, just learn something. And we can't spend our time for learn something. We can spend on smartphone, but like there is something balance, right? If we just only do house chores work only and don't invest time on learning, so that will not help us to become successful person. So my mom understand because she is educated person, so I think.
Yeah, great. And your English is very nice. You are talking with me very fluently. So I want to know that you have taken any particular classes or you have conducted any online tutorial with the paid tutorial or by free without
It's not
investing.
like that. It is consistency, you say. Consistency, discipline, you would say.
Amazing. Yeah, sounds good. So I think you are taking one kind of good leverages from the technologies and online resources for your improving yourself.
Yeah, you're right.
Great. Okay. And as I said, I'm from Gujarat, Surat. So have you visited my state or city yet?
I didn't visit it, to be honest. I am just totally busy to discover myself and study more to become a successful person in my life. I have a purpose and I have to achieve because some reason in family reason, you know, that as a girl, as a Muslim girl, so I don't go anywhere too much but invest on myself. Like I do study, so I can just make money. I can be financially literate so that I can just be independent and visit all the things, all state in India. I want to visit by all by myself.
Amazing. So I have one question come up in my mind after listening your last things. If you have opportunity to visit any three particular cities in India, so which most cities you want to explore alone or with the family? I'm not sure, but which three city you want to explore and why?
Hmm. So the first is Kashmir, second Mumbai, and third Agra.
Oh, you have a very nice choice. Amazing. Okay, so very first Kashmir is also in my wish list. And yeah, somehow I already visited Mumbai, but yeah, it was nice. Great. And one last thing is that what do you know about my city, about the Surat related, what do you know as of
To
now?
be honest, I don't have much knowledge. If you will tell me so that I can recall something.
Definitely. So very first in India, my city, Surat is holding second number in the cleanliness. Okay. And maybe you must know about the first number holding by Indore, MP Indore. And second number is held by Gujarat, Surat. And my city is also famous in entire Asia for textile market, for diamond industry, as well as nowadays my city is also growing in IT industry as well. Okay, and not now, from last more than 3 to 5 years my city is growing in IT industry as well. Okay, so it's very famous. And about the food related and Garba and Navratri related, I am sure you must heard from the social media or online pictures or anything. So it's also famous. And about the food related, we have our unique food like khaman and dokla as well. So I must say, you can't find in the out of the Surat this kind of taste and this kind of food in India as well. So these kind of things making my city unique in entire India as well as Asia.
Hmm. It's amazing. Nice to hear that.
Yeah, great.
Yeah,
Okay,
every state has their own quality, right? It's nice.
right.
It was really nice to hear that.
Yeah, I want to know one last thing from your end, like what things making unique your city? Any particular things are very famous which you can't, which anyone can't able to find out of your city or anything, any incident, anything you can say?
It is a Nawab city. The palace and Raza library also there in Rampur. So these are very famous things in my city, I would say.
You are from Rampur. It is located in UP.
Yeah. Your district. It is my district, Rampur.
Yeah, amazing, great. All right. So, Mantasa, it was very nice to talk with you. And thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. And you have said many things. I definitely work upon it. And in future, definitely we will meet again for the conversation. Okay.
Same here. Thanks for connecting. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.